Well, hey, didn't see you there. My name is Nathan. I work on the design team here at Ocean Protect. And one of our jobs as a design team is to choose an appropriately sized treatment train. When we design our treatment trains, we design them to target four main pollutants. This is gross pollutants, which can be considered as your cigarette butts, your plastics, your debris, your total suspended solids, just your sediment, your tyre residue, and organics such as phosphorus and nitrogen in both particulate and dissolved form. Each part of the treatment train is designed to target a specific size particle, whether it be our primary treatment systems, which are for the coarser plastics, for our larger sediments and debris, even down to our tertiary systems that are designed to capture and remove dissolved particles. One of the most common pitfalls I see when designing a treatment train is lack of consideration of mass load and site size. When we think about these treatment systems, we need to make sure that they're each sized appropriately for what's coming in. Each treatment system has its own load capacity, and with that comes a maintenance life. And if we overload and undersize these systems, these are going to fill up with sediment and pollutants and stop treating before we want them to. It's vital that we get the sizing of these treatment trains correct. If we don't, we're going to let all these pollutants bypass our treatment systems, making them ineffective. As an Ocean Protect team member, our number one goal is to ensure that we are protecting the ocean. If you ever need any assistance with sizing or designing a treatment train, please don't hesitate to contact us. All of our numbers and emails are available on our website.